Hi, welcome back to my channel. I'm Kay, and today I want to unbox and review this style by Tony of Beverly, Arya, in the color Cognac. Let's dive straight in. I don't get to review a lot of Tony of Beverly wigs, so I'm really excited to bring this review to you. So this is available from Wig Studio 1, who sent this to me kindly. Securely packaged with a net sitting on tissue paper, and then you even have this kind of material on here as well, so really secure. And here we have the wig. The first thing I notice, incredibly light. It's like clouds. It's amazing, really light. So it's a modern take on the classic bob. You have a slightly angled nape here. You also have a fringe. Let's look at the cap construction whilst we are here. So we have an extended lace front with a mono part that is about 2 fingers wide. Doesn't go all the way to the crown. It's not overly narrow, so it does give you a little bit of styling versatility. And then you have open wefts sides and back, a non-extended nape with Velcro adjusters, velvet covered ear tabs with metal stays in them, and there is stretch in this cap. I always like a good bob. Let me shake it first. I think bobs are just so useful. Easy to throw on and go, and you always look polished, really. So light on already. I noticed that straight away how light this is on. So here it is straight out of the box. I show it to you without having done anything to it. I just ran my fingers through it. Nothing else. So this is what it looks like straight out of the box. In terms of flopping, not that much actually. So that's good. Maybe this side a little bit. So let me get my comb and let's get rid of that zigzag parting. So I've taken out the zigzag parting. So I had to use a little bit of water, so that's why you might see a little bit of wetness here, because it was quite tightly packed, so to speak, and it was difficult to get out with just the comb. But now with the water, you can see
the idea of a parting.
I do have dark hair here underneath it. That's why it's probably not as obvious as if I had just skin under there. I don't think it's overly tight, and I don't think it's overly wide either. I think this is quite a good parting space. Let's look at the lace front. I think overall that lace looks good. Let me just show you here. So this is the lace. So fairly natural, I think. And you may notice that they have put lighter pieces here to the front. So that helps in disguising the knots there. So let me now show you from all sides now that I've taken out the zigzag parting and combed it through. So what you have with Arya, you have a modern take on the classic bob. It's modern, I think, because of that slightly stacked nape and because you have a fringe. So on me, it falls just under or into my eyes, or maybe under. And then you also have some slight layering here around the face. And then you have these longer pieces here at the front have a slight curl, or a curve, not a curl, a slight curve. Otherwise, there is slight layering here, as you can see. Shorter pieces, maybe. Yeah, so you have shorter pieces here. So you have a slight layering effect here, longer pieces here, and then stacked at the nape. For the summer, this is great. Off your neck, and then I think this is a style that sees you through the year. because when it then comes to scarf season, you then don't have to worry about your hair getting tangled up in the scarf and all that. And it's just a great length for every season. I think it's great. And as I said, this is incredibly lightweight. One thing to consider is the measurements. So I put them on the screen. So I would urge you to measure where a wig would fall on you, because you might have seen a reviewer reviewing it and it looks great on them, and then on you it looks different. And this could be because of the measurements of the reviewer and your own. So I have a long face and a long neck. On me, wigs in general look shorter than they might on you or the stock photo or on other reviewers. So always measure where this would fall on you. Facial dimensions, as well as a lot of other factors, play a part in how a wig might look on you and might look different. So density, now I already said how light this feels on, and this is because I cannot feel permatease here. Not really. There's nothing big and poofy here, and this is such a light density. It sits close to my head, and there's not much hair here. So this is definitely for everyone like me who loves a low density, throw on and go, easy to wear piece. And this one doesn't really require much maintenance because the fibers are regular synthetic fibers. And I think they look absolutely amazing. There's not much artificial shine here. I know this is a darker color, but even sometimes on regular synthetic fibers, when you have darker colors, they still can be shiny, unnaturally so sometimes. And I don't think this is the case here. They feel lovely and soft, really soft. For regular synthetic fibers, these feel really lovely. So in terms of fit, so I do think this is an average sized cap. There is a little bit of gapping here at the back, nothing unusual for me. And it fits my 21.75-ish inch circumference, really well straight out of the box. So I do think this is a typically average sized fitting cap. Now this color is cognac, and I do think it is the color of cognac. I think it's gorgeous. It's described as a medium brown with rosewood highlights. I'm not sure I'm seeing a rosewood. What I'm seeing is it's more like a light golden brown. So they concentrate around the front of the face, which is always lovely because it really lightens up your face, but you can see them throughout the cap as well. And I put in some outside footage as well, just so you get an idea of what this color looks like outside. Maybe you can see more rosewood outside. So in terms of styling, now this is a shorter wig, so you can tuck it easily because of the low density. You have the lace front, so you can pull back the front like so if you wanted to. And maybe tuck one side. Half up, half down. It's possible. And you can see that these layers just will fall out, but it's such a cute look. So you have some other layers here that might fall out throughout the day. So you might need to use some clips to just hold them in place. But this is overall the look you would get. I think that is really cute. Because you have that angled nape, I'm not sure about that you can really do a low pony. So I really hope you enjoyed this review of Arya. Thank you to Wig Studio 1 for providing me with this piece. The link to this piece is down below in the description box. If you have any questions, any comments, put them down below. Have a wonderful day, and I hope I see you very soon. Bye.